In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an account in the Bank of America mobile banking app. This is a simple way to tidy up your dashboard so you only see the accounts you actively use without closing anything or affecting your activity. You'll keep full access to the account. You're just removing it from the main view for a cleaner experience. Start by opening the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device and signing in as you normally would. Once you're on the home screen, look for the menu area labeled Profile and Settings. Depending on your device and app version, this might appear under a profile icon, a menu button, or directly on the Settings tab. If you're not seeing it right away, take a second to scan the bottom navigation or the upper corner where your profile options usually live. Inside Profile and Settings, find and tap Account Preferences. This is the section where you control how your accounts appear within the app, including naming preferences and visibility. Think of it as the hub for organizing your dashboard. From here, select the specific account you want to hide. It could be a checking or savings account, a credit card, or even a loan. If you have many accounts, scroll through the list until you see the one you want to manage. When you tap into that account's preferences, look for the option labeled Account Visibility for the homepage. Toggle that setting off. As soon as you turn the visibility off, the account will no longer appear on your main dashboard. This doesn't close the account, pause transactions, or cancel any scheduled payments or alerts. It simply removes it from the home screen to reduce clutter. If you want to confirm the change, navigate back to the home screen and you should notice the dashboard looks cleaner. If you change your mind later, you can turn visibility back on at any time. Just return to Profile and Settings, go to Account Preferences, select the same account and toggle the visibility back on. Your account will reappear on the home page and everything will be just as it was. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the layout looks different from what you expect, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the dashboard or revisit it after a moment. And remember, this visibility setting applies only to the homepage view. The account itself remains active and fully accessible whenever you need it. That's it. Open the app, go to Profile and Settings, tap Account Preferences, choose your account, and toggle off the homepage visibility. Clean, simple, and reversible. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more streamlined dashboard.